What's going on, guys? Jake Tiesler, the latest Mustang and Bronco news. This is my Mustang that I bought new in 2015, and I just got finished detailing it with a couple new products that I think are amazing, and I wanted to share it with you. Now, I did a ceramic coating, except I used a new product, which is actually a spray ceramic coating. So it's not hard to do at all. It's very easy. It's very cheap. I think you can get it online for $12. I'm gonna put the link below in the description. There's also a clay bar mitt. You don't have to mess with the actual bar anymore. So these are two new products for me. Now, if you're a professional in the automotive detailing world, you might already know about this stuff. If you're an amateur, this might be new to you, as it was to me. And I got such great results after I got through detailing my car. I just made an impromptu video and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna put all the links in the description below, and you guys let me know if you have experience with this or what you think about it. But it was took only 2 hours and maybe $50, and it looks amazing. So thanks for watching, and let's check it out. All right, guys, here are the 4 products that I use. As you can see, this is really slick. Anyway, so you want to make sure the car is washed first, and I recommend using the 2 bucket method. But if you're only have a car wash, locally, then just use high pressure hose soap first. Make sure it's slick and lubed up so you don't scratch it and keep contaminating the paint with the dirt that's already on the car. Do the best that you can, but research 2 bucket method, essentially where you have your own hose, bucket, and every time you put the foam washer in and you scrub your car soapy, you put it back into the bucket, you get all the old debris off the sponge before you recontaminate the vehicle with all the old dirt. So you're washing the car, you're taking that, you're re-washing the foam applicator, and then you're rinsing that off, getting all the debris off before you put it back onto the vehicle. So that's the 2 bucket method. If you do that, that's a good start. Get the car nice and clean, super clean. Next step is to take this clay luber. You're gonna apply it to the mitt. I'm gonna put the Amazon link below in the description. I got this for $15. I'll put the product right here. Clay bar mitt, I believe it was $10 or $15. Essentially put this on your hand. I'll put the link for this as well. You spray this on, spray, and you will gently go over, and you will feel this clay mitt start to pull off all of the debris that has been on the car, sap, contaminants in the air, and you will start to see all that stuff come off. And you just do a 2x2 section, spray, rub with the mitt, spray, rub with the mitt, and then you wipe the stuff off. When you're done with that, this is new, this is ceramic spray coating. So remember, ceramics are really popular right now. They're doing sprays. So essentially, take a microfiber, apply the ceramic coating to the microfiber, and then you're gonna spread that onto the panel evenly, okay? 2x2 section. You're gonna let it rainbow up where it's slightly dry. Don't let it sit there for 30 minutes. Somewhere between 2 and 10 minutes, something like that. After it dries up, then you can remove. And just work in 2x2 sections with that. That's gonna put a super nice coating. That I just did this, okay? So I just did all this. It took me about 2 hours this morning. It doesn't take long to do the full deal. And that's it. You just go around. Now the car's sealed up. It will definitely beat up, and it should be protected for 3 to 6 months. And you can reapply this in a little while. So the next thing I used was Diablo wheel cleaner. I don't have a water supply here, so I have to use, I don't want to go back to the car wash just to use the hose to remove the debris from the wheel after I spray the wheel cleaner. It seemed to work good. Front wheels on these performance package cars are hard to work with, but it seems to look all right. Just a basic wheel cleaner. I can't say much about it because I really need what I really need is a water supply to remove all of the old cleaner off the vehicle. But I made do with what I could. I used 3 or 4 rags that were partially wet to remove the old cleaner off, and that's kind of the results if you want to see that. They're a little hazy, so they need to be removed even more. As you can see, like if you get way down here, this wheel needs to be redone, but I'm just going to show you partially. what's going on here. And you have to spend some time on these wheels, maybe 10 minutes per wheel. That's 40 minutes. You almost spend an hour just on the wheels, right? Oh, this wet material is from the tire shine, which is the next product that I wanted to show you. Is Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Tire Shine Tire Coating. So we'll see. I can give you an update in a few more days, but essentially it looks good right when you apply it. And as you can tell, I just applied this maybe 10 minutes ago. So far so good. We'll see if it slings off and we'll see how long it stays. But that was the quick 2-hour detailing. And these products all together bought at AutoZone were 60 bucks. So you can probably get all this stuff on Amazon for 40. I'll have to look it up and I'll post the links below, like I said. But not bad for a 2-hour little detail job and ceramic coating that should last months to come. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And this was just a quick and dirty, really easy way to do the vehicle, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. All right, have a good day. Be sure to subscribe if you like the Mustang content. I do a lot on the Ford Bronco news, and I will catch you in the next video.